The Second World War was a tear in the fabric of humanity and a rupture, it's been said, in the layer of solidarity among all who wear a human face. It's been likened to an earthquake that shattered all the instruments designed to record it. One of those instruments was art, and I think it's fair to say in the wake of the Holocaust, it lay shattered too. The figure on the screen now is the critic Theodor Adorno, who, if you've heard of him, perhaps is probably for a single line that he's often quoted for, which is his remark that to write poetry after Auschwitz would be barbaric. He did say that. It's been quoted many, many times. Not too many people realize that he actually went on to revise his opinion after making that statement in a way that honored art's power and witness. Because the world has outlived its own demise, he later wrote, it needs art as its unconscious conduit. So that idea of art in general and music in particular as a witness to history and as a chronicler of memory for a post-Holocaust world is the subject of tonight's lecture.